but we don't have to have a actually yeah, this is right one. Okay, 10 million here we got. Yeah, this is right one. Okay, now Power BI updates the column chart to show the profit for each month. So okay, so yeah, that is it. And add data to your visual section of the visual band. Select drop down and access value. Yes. Access value. Yeah, so this is right one. So this is what we have. It's showing here, but we don't have. Yeah, the months also are feasible, right? Yeah, the months should be feasible. And yeah, they September, December, yeah, November, December, and so on. So this is the correct way. And then in the visualization tool, we have finished also this one. Number 4 in the visualization band, change visualization tab to line chart. So if we change this one to line chart, actually, okay, 1 minute. It's gonna be like this, something like this one, yeah. If we change to line chart, yeah, it's gonna be something like this one. Okay. Profit by date. Yeah, we can also, yeah, profit by date. Profit by date. Sum of profit by date. And then the profit. And also basically you can also search from here, okay? You can, for example, write profit and so on, yeah? Okay. Then what is next? We have to select a profit by country. We have to do a map, okay? Map is also quite easy. We have to drag the country and then the profit, okay? So here we're going to map and then date and country. Sorry, first is country, yes, if I'm not mistaken, and then country, yeah, yes, country and profit. Sorry, no need date, yeah, country and profit. So here it's showing which country has the most profit, okay? So here we have North America, Europe, and so on. So Europe has some kind of profits, yeah. Then the North America, and then we don't have anything in Africa, and yeah. So we can also check it like this one. We can also check it, by the way, by kind of like country. We can check it in terms of, but that one we'll check it with slicer. Year we can also check if we want yearly. Yeah. Now, what we have to do is that we have to yeah. So now what we have to do is like sales by product in segments. We have to also now we have to do the fourth one. This one we have to do. This one select okay sales, product and segment. So we have to select. So by the way, here you can just type sales, and then where is the sales? We can also type it here actually. Sales here we have, yeah. We have sales, and then what do we have? Product, product, and then segment, yeah. Segment is the country, right? Countries, yeah. Segment, okay. And we have to drag it to here. It says, okay, let's drag it here. Small business and so on. If you like, the company should continue to invest in PASO product and target the small business and government segments. So here we will see each country is done their segments, like each country is their kind of product and so on, yeah. Then what we have to do is like we have to create a slicer. Well, a slicer is really important in Power BI. So a slicer is the icon with a funnel next to a tab. So with Osmotin Bolt, Power BI model creates a numeric range slicer. So we have to create a slicer, and then what we have to do is that we have to select. We have to do the slicer. You can drag the insert filter or select the arrows in this one. Data slicer using table. So a slicer, we can find it here. Okay, this is slicer, and then we can, here we can do the slicer, and then we can select a and then visualize, choose slicer, and then in date remove quarter and days only, year, and then in the data section of the visuals, so this one. So we have it in months also. So actually we have months, yeah. Also we have months, years also we have, yeah. So for example, if I want to check the month, this month, I can check it from there, okay. If I want to check, for example, yearly, for an example, here here what I choose is, we have to actually we have to choose data hierarchy. We have to choose year, and then we have to choose months, and here we don't need, okay, year, months, year, months, here you see date, year, months. So we don't need also the date. So year, months, year and month, year and month, 2013 for example. Here we can check like this one. So for example, January, we can check it, February, and so on, yeah. So, and then and that's it actually. So here you can also change, you can also add quarter, for example, if you want, or if you want you can also add day, for example, and that's it. Here it's saying us there is some formats, so you have to do some formats as well if you want. So the formats is also easy. We're going to home, and then in home you can actually also insert and then format here, right? This is the format. There should be yeah, wait a minute, insert, and then there should be a formatting. Yeah, this one, formatting is this one, right? Yeah, we can format here. Yeah, so here we can format the data. So this is the formatting. Okay, if you want to change your format, you can change. If you kind of like, yeah, for me, for example, this one is beautiful, it's okay, you can do it like this way. In the view you can just format it. Yeah. Filter is a different thing, we'll discuss it next time. Yeah, so this is the format he's telling us. Okay, and then we have to do a, yeah, it's just telling the style. If you want to change the style of the map and so on, you can just do that and then finish the report. Yeah, so now we finished the report. What we have to do is that we can publish actually our report, and also we can share our report. Okay, publishing to Power BI. So first of all, I would recommend you to enter with your sign in with your account. Okay, first when you start the Power BI, enter with your sign in with your account. Okay, so in my case this is my account, so I don't need, I will just go to I will just go to home, and then I have it everything here. Okay, so here I will just go to publish. Okay, so I'm gonna publish this one, save. Okay, means like this this report have been saved. Okay, so save it. I will save it afterwards. I want to show you first also share. Okay, you can also share with me. You can copy link and I can just click the link and I can just look at it. You can share to, for example, to me, Mohammed, for example, to Ali, for example, and you can share it with PPBX, or you can more options to document as a document. You can share, or as a drive. Okay, it is up to you. Yeah. So here, if we come back, publish, save, name Muhammad's report, Muhammad Ali's report. Okay, so save. So that's it, I saved my report. Okay, so my saved has been report to has been saved. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you for your listening and for your attention. See you next lesson. Goodbye.